you're going to get to explore how your comfort zone. So there's 4 things that are going to maybe hinder you from having fun. You guys know about fun? Okay, some of you like that. It's like, I'm having fun right now. So how many of you like to, so this is going to maybe touch a couple of points. By the way, your inner voice is going to start kicking in. And maybe you already started kicking in already. You know that inner voice that I'm talking about? The one that said, what inner voice, what's with the hair, what's with the pants, blah, 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 this and that. Okay, so that inner voice is constantly going to be there. And one thing that inner voice likes to do is it likes to keep you safe. How many of you like to play it safe? Raise your hand. Okay, and if you're not raising your hand, but you want to raise your hand, that's exactly what you're doing. You're playing it safe right now. I don't want somebody to judge me, even though nobody knows me here. Okay, so that's fine. So playing it safe is one thing that keeps you in your comfort zone. Your comfort zone keeps you away from joy, keeps you away from happiness. How many of you still have a dream in your life that you still haven't even taken on, or maybe you failed that at one time and you have to get out of your comfort zone? Like, here's your opportunity to do this. Even if you're from this class, take this and just be like, I don't care about yogarati, but I'm gonna sing. I mean, whatever. You know, it's about doing that, because when you get out of your comfort zone in your mind, your kids are gonna absolutely love you. So some people like some of them play it safe. Okay, how many of you like to look good in front of other people? Just you. Okay, a couple of people. Okay, got it. Okay, so we're going to do things. We're going to be getting on the ground. We're going to be silly. We're going to be making animal noises. We're going to be singing. We're going to be doing fun things. And playing it safe is going to take away your joy. Being interested in looking good in front of people. Now here's the funny part. Are you more interested in looking good in front of your friends, or are you more interested in looking good in front of people that you don't even know? Both? Okay, both? Okay, got it. How many people are more interested in looking good in front of their friends? How many don't care because their friends already know your real personality? How many of you want to look good in front of other people in this room right now that you don't even know? Okay, why? You don't even know them. What does that mean? If you look silly, they're not going to be my friend. Okay. How about this one? Ready? How many of you like to be right? Raise your hand.
I can be right.
Everybody better get their hands. Stop lying. Okay. And I didn't. So you're Mrs. Right?
Always
okay,
right.
got it. She's always right. Okay. Husband, boyfriend, both?
Husband, Mr. Right.
Is that 2 different people?
So my husband's Mr. Right and I'm Mr.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay. She said husband and then Mr. Right. So I'm like, husband and then Mr. Right. Mr. Right upstairs in the hotel room because you flew out here. Okay, good. I blew your spot up, I'm sorry. She's like,
no, he won that.
Okay. Now, what about this? Here's the last one. Okay, so people like to play it safe, that stays in their comfort zone. Okay, people like to be right, they like to stay in their comfort zone. People like looking good. How about this one? Anybody here like to be in control?
Never.
Never. She's such a liar. She wanted to be in control of this whole conversation right now with what she's going to do. Okay, do you know what I'm saying? Like, people try to be, we'd love you to come in. Are you just taking pictures? Okay, if you want to come in and join us, there's chairs in the back. Someone will be right with your drink order. Okay. So being in control is something. Like, how many of you actually believe that you can control someone in your life? And my question is, how's that working? Okay. How many of you can even control yourselves? Like, how many of you woke up this morning going, I'm going to be in a conference all day. I'm going to take a 45-minute brisk walk to make sure that I'm energized, and then you walk by the cookies.